If ever there was a time to celebrate the brilliance of Welsh film and television, it's right now. Heno, byddwn yn anrhydeddu ein hynwebion a'n henillwyr, ond byddwn ni hefyd yn mynd â chi ar daith unigryw trwy'r diwydiant sgrin yma yng Nghymru, wrth i ni ddathlu gwaith y rhai sy'n cyfrannu at dyfiant ein tirwedd creadigol Cymreig. Croeso, welcome to the 30th British Academy Cymru Awards. Noswaith dda, I'm Alex Jones, your host for this evening, and we've taken over BBC Cymru Wales Central Square studios to stream the awards ceremony to screens globally. It's been an exceptional year for film and television in Wales, and when it comes to choosing what to watch, well, we've been spoilt for choice. Television drama has never been